Welcome back, guys. So the next type of content we want to work on is adding our services. So I'll start a post right now, and I'm going to want to add services. So if you want to start a post directly, this is where you use where you get to do the basic post need. But now we want to create. So this time around, we want to create services. Yes, we want to create services. So I'm going to come to add services, and you can showcase your services. You can you can let your people add, like you can do a project and you increase your discoverability, so you can get leads as well. So let's start with adding our company service page. So I'm going to come to next, and I'm going to come to next. Now you have to list out services and about us, then you now state your price. It's more like a freelancing kind of platform for your company, so people can make requests and can ask for your services. It's just as easy as that. So let's see some services we can actually offer. So let's say list out business knob services, list out business knob services. Okay, so we can now start listing it out, then we can now start adding them. You have up to 10 services right here. So let's see, we have different services from branding to business registration to tax filing and all those things. So those are the services business now offers. So here we have financial management to fintech, business and legal resources, so professional documentation. Okay, business consultation. So let's start with business consultation, of course. Yes. So that's one of the services. It has to be business consultation, which is business consulting, of course. And in accounting, bookkeeping, of course. Yes. Bookkeeping. That is tax preparation, of course. Small business tax, of course. Personal tax planning, of course. So we have to look into different services we can actually use. So here we are. So we have consulting, we have business consulting, we do brand consulting, of course, and not financial consulting, not legal consulting. So let's see. Okay, so we have, okay, so we can use tax advisory as well. Then we have design. No, I think nothing in design just yet. Yes, so we could say web design, maybe. Yeah, WordPress design. Yeah, visual design. Yeah, that too. So we're able to select 10 of these. Okay, let me see if there are other things we can actually achieve. So let's see, events, finance. I think there's nothing about finance. And okay, financial reporting is necessary, is one of those things. So we are not heavy on this visual design. So I think yes, we can actually, yes, we can keep it going, I think. So let's just leave it this way. Let's leave the services this way for now, because when you check, you still see more of the things you can do. So I'm going to get done with this and the about. So okay, so tell me the about. Okay, write an about based on the services. So I'm going to come back to my Gemini and tell it to write an about business now based on these services. Okay, so I've chosen my services, and you see we have all these. So instead of visual design, I think I should take out that visual design. So take out the visual design and add one more service. So which other service do I need to add? I've done button and all that. So let's see, this would have nothing to do with what we are doing. So we have financial planning. Yes, we have budgeting. Yes, let's use budgeting actually. let's use budgeting because we are going to have to create a budget planner. Yes, so I'll say budgeting as well. Okay, so we have all these tools right here. All we have to do is to, yes, all we have to do is to, okay, write an about, okay, and about business now based on these services. Okay, so we're going to have this sent out. So we're going to have our at business now. So we have all this right now. So let's see how many. So we are going to have this done. We are going to write the about us right now. We can only write in 500 characters. So I just have to copy this and let's see. So we're going to paste this right now. So it's beyond 500 now. At business now, we provide the essential turn your business needs to move from operational to exceptional. We are multidisciplinary consultancy firm dedicated to empowering entrepreneurs and individuals with the tools, clarity, and strategy required to thrive in a competitive landscape. By bridging the gap between regulars, we offer a holistic approach. Okay, so I can just say this: we offer a holistic approach to business growth, whether you're a startup founder or an established business owner. Our mission is to simplify your back office operations while amplifying your market presence. Okay, okay, so let's see this. Okay, yes, we are good. So we're able to provide services remotely, of course, and starting. So we could actually use Naira to, let's use Naira, of course. So our hourly rate is how much? So our hourly rate for consultancy should be like a 20,000. Or you can even contact for pricing instead of adding a price. Then we could publish this right now. And that way, we've created services for this company. So people can make requests on a service they need, and that is what this is basically. So we just created a service front for the business, and you can get requests, you can handle projects directly. So that is this basically. I hope to see you in the next lesson. See you there.